So you're walking in a house that you want to buy, or it's in your own home and you forgot how old the microwave is. Just you don't want to speculate. You actually want to know what the year is. So let me show you how to find out what it is with technology. So the first step is to open your microwave door and look for the label inside. Usually it's on the side wall. Typically it's either right beside where the door hinge is, or it could be on the other side. So what you want to do is take a picture of that and make sure it's a clear, legible photo. So make sure it doesn't have any grease or anything on it. Then next you want to open ChatGPT on your phone, or you could do this on your computer, and find the make and manufacturing year of this microwave based on the serial number. Then upload your photo and boom! Within seconds, ChatGPT will decode your microwave's age and details. No need to search through complicated manuals. Try this out and let me know in the comments how old your microwave is, or a microwave that you have used this on. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home hacks.